There are certain techniques and skills in interviewing your potential clients or working with them that would help each small business owner to move forward or have a successful closure. My name is Dr. Julia Shcherbatykh, and I'm a business owner and medical director at Ancaster Rejuvenate Cosmetic Clinic and Spa and Brantford Rejuvenate Cosmetic Clinic. A little bit about myself. I'm a trained physician from Russia. I was an obstetrician and gynecologist. Followed my husband in 2005 to Canada and did a lot of different work and studying and finished McMaster University in family practice. Managed community practice, worked in emergency department, but always wanted to do women's health and give back to women in Canada. So I decided to open up a business in December 2015, cosmetic clinic and women's clinic. And now we grew up with two locations in 2015 and 2017. Something that I learned in medical school, that we learned in interviewing our clients and patients. It's called FIFE. It's a mnemonic, FIFE, which covers feelings, ideas, fears, and expectations. And that mnemonic 5 can be applied in any interview, in any business, and it's been so far very successful and productive in my personal life, in my business as well, with my clients, with my employees, with my children, and my husband. So, for example, you have a client in front of you and they walked in through your door. They don't know what they want, what's this business, what's the setting all about. You can ask, how do they feel today? And it could be feeling in general or feeling about particular service. You can ask if they have any idea of what we do as a business or any ideas about specific service that you want to offer. And it helps you to understand if they have a lot of knowledge, they have a minimal knowledge. So it helps you to have a point where to start educating them. And then you ask, as we all have different assumptions and fears, maybe the customer is afraid of bruising or needles or redness or anything that applies to particular business and industry. To know their fears will help you as a business owner to address it and help to be on the same agenda with your customer. And expectations is something that I learned very important to know at the beginning of your client encounter and not at the end, because you can have a 2-hour meeting and you can have your agenda to try to sell your product to customer, and they afraid of buying, or don't have money, or they're going through divorce, or anything could be going on in their mind, and they would be quietly sitting for the meeting with you, but at the end it will be not productive. So knowing expectation of customer at the beginning can save you a lot of time in your business and have a productive and long-term relationship. So FIFE, F-I-F-E client, in first 5 minutes of your interview, it could be initial interview, could be a follow-up appointment, is very important. And I think it's a technique that you can use in any business, and it could be very successful.